Snakes நல்லா இருக்குங்களா?
நல்லா இருக்கீங்களா? Only those who are stairs at the state relief. Oh, கடைசில இருக்கீங்களா? சரி மாத்திட்டு மேல போய் மாத்தணும். எங்கட போதா நல்லா இருக்கு. சீனே கவரா இருக்கு. சரி ரைட்ல போறோம்.
ஒன்னு போடு.
Hey, don't put this like that side. That side, yeah. உன்னை வந்து போடு. Last it's a photo. Oh. What am this? I love the atmosphere. Huh? What atmosphere? What atmosphere? Chernobyl. Without any light. I want to resume class. Then you should go to Chernobyl. Nice. You should go to Chernobyl's what is that? Ground zero.
Chernobyl.
Chernobyl's ground zero. So person stands for 2
Good
minutes.
evening, good evening, Nivas.
Sir, if a person stands for 2 minutes or more.
What happened?
Sir, I mean
Blasting.
blast. Uranium waste is there, sir. So, nuclear waste is there, sir. Somebody stands there for more than 2 minutes, like.
Okay.
Due to radiation.
Okay.
Result series is unexpected, sir. No? We'll tell you that. Okay. Ready? Please, I know the.
Okay, today.
No, I don't want to go now.
Today we'll work out some more problems on waves.
Good. Shut up, guy. Hey. I want to shut up. So talkative, sir. In maths class. We can't able to study some. I was talking. I was not talking. I was discussing the problems. Okay. Talking for some it is talking. For some it is discussing.
Okay. Cool. Compromise. All Indians are my brothers. Why all Indians are my brothers, right, in the prayer? Because we have to do friendly. You should not talk harsh. Yeah, no sisters, no? That's what. Waves, no?
Wave that no man. Electromagnetic was just down. So that's why sir opened sound. Sounds, sir.
Waves and sound. Sound also waves, no?
When I have made him. Wave traveling on positive x-axis is given to me. If it is reflected, 80% of the amplitude is reflected. Oh. A and B are rejected. A and D are rejected. B or B, sir. COD. One of them. 11th IIT wave. 312 very March 12th. Yes, sir. My birthday is 27th. Very close. My image is getting frustrated. Why? What is this guy talking from? Now I am not.
Okay, try.
All in use and
Option B.
Sir, A and D are gone, sir. Option B, sir.
Perfect. Jiva Kamal's
negative.
option is perfect. Option B. The reason is
It is reflected.
Definitely this wave is going in the positive x direction. Na? I will assume one rope tied to the right rigid peg and it is going in this direction.
Yes, sir.
Once it is falling on the rigid boundary, how it will be bounced back? Like this. So it is going left side, means negative x-axis means compulsory this should be plus, and amplitude is inverted, no?
Yes, sir.
So it should be compulsory minus. So it is a perfect, and amplitude also become 80%. So y is equal to how much here? Minus 0.8 into a into sine of omega t plus k into x is our answer. Jiva, switch off. Very cool. No need, no need. You just switch off, you use it. No. Anyone switch off. Wait.
Reduce the temperature, sir.
No need.
Increase the temperature, not reduce. The layer can get reflected from the x-axis also, positive x-axis also, and travel to the positive x-axis also.
Coming in.
Sir, why you do it is negative, sir? Opposite direction. Opposite direction.
If you throw the ball again, it will bounce back now, Vishal. It is going negative x-axis, so it will be plus you have to write. If wave is going right side means what equation you have to write? A into sine omega t minus kx you have to write. Negative side means what? Plus kx you have to write. That's all.
But then negative will come.
That's all. Yes. And one more modification. Instead of rigid boundary, free boundary is there. See, this is a free boundary on a rope I tied to one some freely movable. Freely movable, not a rigid boundary, free boundary. Now, what is the reflected wave equation? Tell me.
Option D.
Think and tell, Srinidhi. I gave
Option C, sir. It will go in the same direction.
Shabash, option C. It won't be inverted. This is a free boundary, na?
Yes, sir.
Free boundary means this is an incident wave, reflected wave, it won't be inverted.
Yes, sir.
Convex shape will go, convex shape will come back. Crest will go, crest will come back. That is the difference between rigid boundary and free boundary. How will you write the equation? Y is equal to 0.8 into a into sine of omega t plus kx. Understood?
Yes, sir. Understood, sir. An Indian submarine. These are like sound wave problems, sir. Because all are in hertz, take a decibel.
Actually, here, honestly, one small concept I forgot to explain. By seeing the question, I remembered. These questions also may come. One concept I will explain now. 10 minutes. Okay, it will take 10 minutes only. Everyone came, no? Okay. The 10 minutes concept only, very simple. Phase difference and time difference. For example, students, look here. One particle, simple harmonic oscillation. One particle which is under the which oscillation? Simple harmonic oscillation. This is a mean position. This is right extreme position. This is what? Left extreme position. It will go to right extreme position. Then again it will come back to mean. Again it will go to left extreme position. Then again it will come back to mean position. So one full oscillation completed. Correct, Ada? Means at this time particle will complete one full circular motion. Understood? Means what a time taken to complete one full revolution? Time period capital T. And what is the angular displacement of this radial vector? Once full revolution completed, what a total angle covered by that radial vector? 360 degree means 2 pi. And at this moment, one full wave will be produced. Na?
Yes, sir.
I told many times. If your hand completed one full oscillation, one full wave will be produced in the rope. Correct or not? Yes or no? Means in this moment, what is the length of the wave produced is lambda. Correct or not? Now, if you 10 oscillations, if you take 10 oscillations, what a time taken to complete 10 oscillation? 10 into t. What is the angular displacement? 10 into 2 pi. How many waves will be produced? 10 into lambda. Means on these two particles are there, A and B. What is the path difference between the two particles? Lambda. What is time difference between the two particles? Called time difference. And what is the phase difference also? 2 pi only, na? Students, again I am repeating this point. Please listen carefully. This is one full wave produced on the rope. This is particle A. This is particle B. What is the path difference I am asking? That is lambda. What is the phase difference I am asking? 2 pi only, na? Phase difference means one full revolution after new wave will be formed. That is the concept. And what is time difference here? One time period only, na? If you for two waves, if you take for two waves, what is the path difference between the 2 points? A and B points? 2 lambda. What is phase difference? 4 pi. What is time difference? 2t. Means you have noticed one important relation, proportion relation. Path difference is proportional to time difference, and time difference is proportional to phase difference. To give a perfect equation format, yeah, proportional only, na? One is doubled means remaining two also doubled. We proved also. Correct or not? Means to give perfect equation format, I have to keep one constant, na? Those constants are these only, no? So I can write delta by lambda equal to time difference divided by maximum time difference during one wave equal to phase difference divided by maximum phase difference, how much? 2 pi. This is a very, very important relation. So it's a memorized result, compulsory you have to remember. Now how to apply in the concept, one situation I will give and I will explain that also. Okay. See, this is one source of the sound. This is another source of sound. Here one point P is there. Here one wave will produce 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Between first source of sound and point P, how many waves you can accommodate? 5 waves. Means what the path traveled by? Very good. 5 lambda. Then if you switch on the second source, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. What a path traveled by the second wave? Very good. 8 lambda. What a triangle, right? Triangle means very good. It is a path traveled by the wave. Delta.
Why did you turn off and okay. Okay, best. Now turn off this light.
See, Vishal and Srinidhi together they sat because they are good speakers. Right now. Okay. See, correct, no? Vishal and will give a good company to Srinidhi. Leave it to, you know. Okay, what the delta means? Path travel by the first wave, correct? What the path travel by the first wave? 5 lambda. What a path travel by second wave is 8 lambda. What a path difference between them?
3 lambda.
Big path minus small path. Always large path minus small path. That is how much? 8 lambda minus 5 lambda. That is how much path difference is? 3 lambda. So I mean between these two waves, what is the path difference?
3 lambda.
3 lambda. Tell me, calculate what a time difference between the, definitely which will reach the point P very quickly?
S1.
Very good. First wave only. This is the first wave only will produce the, sorry, will reach the point P very quickly. Who will reach lately?
S2.
Second. So between the two waves, time lag also there. Time difference also there. What a time difference? I can use this formula. Na? Time difference equal to, I can write delta by lambda into time taken to produce one wave. What a path difference we found? 3 lambda by lambda into t. Lambda lambda cancels out 3t. Is the time difference between the two waves. What a phase difference between them? Tell me what a phase difference between them. I can write 2 pi into time difference by time period. Very good. 3t divided by t. T cancels out 6 into pi. Are you understanding? Now one practice problem I will give. You people have to do it, right? So this is a source of sound S1. This is a source of sound S2. This is one point P is there. Middle point. This is the axis of symmetry. Find path difference at point P. Find time difference at point P. Find phase difference at point P.
0, 0, 0.
Shabash. 0, 0, 0. Why? Here how much path traveled by the first wave? Here also same path traveled by the second wave. Correct? So path difference is 0. Very good. Time difference is 0. Phase difference also 0. I hope everyone understood very well. Okay. Now we'll do real problem in your exam. This is also a problem only I created. Okay. Now it is your turn. You have to do this problem right now. Calculate same concept based 14 you try. Now it is your turn. Real problem. Uttar Pradesh engineering test only. This one. Uttar Pradesh. Wait, right. Uttar Pradesh State Engineering admission test something will be there. Exactly, I don't know.
Based on this concept, sir.
Yes.
From here, we have to find out the time. Not time. When we find out time, then it will be easy. Okay. So amplitude is 0.03. First write down that. First write down an equation.
No enough writing. Solve it.
No, sir. That's equation here.
Right. When a wave travels in a medium, particle displacement is given. I mean, wave equation is given. Lot of data is there in that equation. Lambda you can find, wavelength you can find, time period you can find, amplitude you can find, and the phase difference at a given instant of time between two particles, 25 meter. What is 25 meter? That's the distance between the two particles. What you are thinking that 25 meter?
Wait. Answer.
I'll give tip. This is wave means what is the path difference between the two particles, right?
2 pi.
Lambda, right? Path difference means distance between the shortest distance between two particles. Then now tell me what is this?
Lambda.
Path difference, right? Path difference. Okay. No. That is a lambda means wavelength. Wavelength is different. Path difference is different.
Oh, okay.
Path difference can be 1 lambda, 2 lambda, 3 lambda, 1.5 lambda, 10 lambda. Arre Bhagavan. Path difference, that is distance between the shortest distance between the two particles means path difference between the two particles. Path difference.
Maximum distance.
That is path difference. Okay, now you can do it.
Yes, sir.
Is asking phase difference. What is the relation between path difference and phase difference? Tell me. Delta by lambda equal to phase difference by 2 pi only, na?
Yes, sir.
Then phase difference equal to how much? Delta by lambda into 2 pi. Path difference how much, right? 25 into 2 pi divided by wavelength. Wavelength is hidden in this equation I told.
Yes, sir.
You try and tell me the correct answer. Don't guess, give scientific answer.
K is equal to omega by K by lambda. W by wave.
K equal to 2 pi by lambda.
Okay. Which one, sir?
This is K no re.
K is equal to 2 pi by lambda, sir. Sir. Thank you, sir.
K equal to 0.01. Mean K equal to how much? 2 pi by lambda. Find lambda. Lambda value how much? 2 pi by 0.01. Substitute nicely here. What do you get? Phase difference. Simplify and you tell the answer.
Then how will we get 0.01? So then we'll not get in terms of pi, because pi will get cancelled. Sir, no, sir. Then pi is also there, right? Sin into pi of 20 plus 30 minus lambda. No, sir. Sir, I'm getting 2,500, sir. Because that pi and pi gets cancelled.
Then wait a second, I have to verify one second. My mistake, pi also you have to send inside, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Pi also have to send inside.
0.02.
Yes. Pi will not come.
Sir, we get 0.0. We get 55 by lambda. 55 by sir, option B, sir. No. Option C.
25 into 2 means what? 15 into pi divided by lambda value how much? 2 into
option B,
0.01. 2 ones are 2 25s are 0.01 means what? 1 by 100 only, no? 25 ones are 25 fours are 5 by 4 is our answer.
Option B.
Continuation of one more question. Students, continuation of one more question. Find time difference between the two particles. Total time period omega is given 2 pi hint. Omega 2 pi. Very good. Yes. Capital T equal to 1. Time period equal to 1. He is asking time period between the two particles.
Phase difference. Okay. Delta will be 200. Sir, will be 1 by 8. What is the weight? Lambda you have.
Yes, sir, 1 by 8.
1 by 8.
1 by 8.
200.
1 by 8 seconds. Okay. Let me check it out. Here angular frequency omega equal to how much? 2 pi only, na? 2 pi means angular displacement in one revolution by time period. Time period equal to 1 second only. But that relation time difference divided by time period equal to how much? Phase difference by 2 pi only, na? So what a time difference equal to? Pi by 2 pi into time period. So how much that is time difference equal to? Pi value how much? Phase difference just now we found. 5 by 4, right? 5 by 4 into 2 pi into time period is what? 1. 5 pi cancels out. Perfect. 1 by 8 second is our answer. Clear?
Yes, sir. Sir, what is the small t here and capital T, sir? Sir, small t is the
time period. Time period. Time period means time taken to produce one wave or time taken to complete one oscillation or time taken to complete one circular path.
Sir,
This kind means?
any example like this, sir?
Huh? Not understood.
Give example problems like same type of problems with some other numbers like not like that, but like
Surely I will check if the If I found same model means surely I will give.
Sound பத்தி தான் சொல்லி கொடுத்துருக்கேன். சவுண்ட் வந்து இங்க போச்சுன்னா ஒரு சவுண்ட் சவுண்ட் எக்ஸ்ட்ரா இருக்கு.
நேம் கொடுக்கிறது.
Sir, the example you gave us, sir, you explained something, sir, now that formula.
Sir, now
that is you explained the sound wave or what?
Always it is applicable.
Sound wave is also there in that.
sir, is specifically sir mentioned sound wave in that is.
No. Any wave. Transfers are longitudinal or electromagnetic or anything.
It is 7, huh?
Fahrenheit ray.
87 or 82?
87.
87. I thought it was in what it is. I see blue, white, green.
Jiva, switch off this also. I am highly chilling. After some time, you switch on.
But I can identify
Sir,
that.
sir, remote is
No, I can't. I can't identify now.
Here in this room,
It actually looks like minus something.
remote.
The next, the wavelength of that ratio coefficient, right? So what is the ratio between intensity and amplitude, sir?
Kindly, sir.
intensity equal to amplitude square. K into square of the amplitude. Intensity of the transverse equal to mu into a square omega square k square.
Intensity is 1, amplitude is also 1. Square 1.
Sir, it's not in bollu.
Okay. I will bring. Sit.
Even problem. So what is search in that? Ratio. Control of search ratio.
Students are
What I have to search?
Sir, like phase difference or time difference.
Where search?
Sir, there only, sir. Control F.
Control F. Oh.
Sir, now we can search for that. Sir, no, sir, like phase difference or time difference like that.
Oh.
Sir, the frequencies. Phase difference. Stationary. Sir, no, sir, manually, sir. Stationary.
Correct only. Good idea.
Okay, sir.
This is a 11th. What is the answer? Guess.
Option.
A only, na?
Sir, editing the option, sir.
Not ready.
Because answer
The
is
time difference also time, sir, because there will be less one. So 33 option is.
Can you try this problem?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir, with frequency, okay, sir.
Sir, you edited the
Try.
options.
Very good idea. Right? I too don't know this.
Sir, I search my name like that.
Name
only,
is
sir.
sir, we search
That
for
IIT list.
that you can do.
I don't want to sort those things.
You can sort Madurai group.
Yeah, but when you first you will see, you will not have that patience to sort.
Oh.
Okay, try. Try. Please try.
See, but still you will not. I will not have that one by time.
Phase difference between the 2 points separated by 1 meter in a wave frequency 120 hertz is 90 degree. Then wave velocity how much?
So V is equal to
What V?
velocity is equal to formula.
F lambda, frequency into wavelength.
Okay. Oh, that.
I will give some clues. You just use them. Velocity of the wave equal to frequency into lambda. First hint. And phase difference is equal to.
So you have to use
Wave velocity, V, sir. Or VW.
So you have to use phase difference by 2 pi equals to. Yes. Phase equal to del by lambda. Oh, you can use that.
You can use this also.
So that only, sir. That only, sir. It will be the same. It will be the same. Now, when I'm looking, phase difference. Phase difference, but how will you get L into lambda?
Wave velocity.
You have to find wave velocity.
For that, we have to find lambda from here. What is still, I mean, what is that, man? Path difference.
Path difference is given, na 1 meter, I think.
Oh, okay. So what is, no,
Frequency irukku.
Sir, 90-degree means
Pi by 2 you should convert.
Oh, pi by 2. Okay, sir.
When angle is not associated with sine or cosine or tan, any trigonometric ratio, you should use only radian system. 2 tips I have given, you have to do.
480, sir.
480 meters per second.
Yes, 480 per second.
120.
124.
Where you given path difference, phase difference, how much? Pi by 2. Path difference, how much?
1 meter.
1 meter. Lambda,
P by F.
have to find. Pi cancels out. Lambda equal to how much? 4 meter.
4 meters.
And substitute here. So V equal to frequency, how much? 120 and into 4. So 480 meter per second is our answer. One more question. Find time difference also. Additional, this is my own question. Time difference between the two particles. Find.
Time difference.
The time period.
Time period. 2 pi by lambda.
Time period you have to find.
2 pi by.
Time period equal to 1 by frequency.
Sir, 30, sir. 1 by 30, sir.
1 by 30, yeah?
30.
So T into pi by 2 pi. This formula you can use, na? Time period equal to how much, Ray? 1 by frequency into pi value how much? Pi value, pi by 2.
Pi by 2 by.
By 2 pi. Pi cancels out.
1 by 480, sir.
1 by 120 into 1 by 4.
1 by
Correct. 1 by
Yes, sir,
480
1 by 480.
seconds.
No,
Means one point P is there, one point Q is there. Okay. One wave is here. Before how many seconds this wave is at point P? Before this 1 by 480 seconds, the position of the wave is at point P. That is the meaning actually.
1 by 480.
1 by 480 seconds
seconds
before, very less.
Very less, sir. Very less, sir.
Then write the differences between very less and very, very less. Right? One book.
What very less. For that we need very, very more pages. Very, very more pages. Very, very more pages.
This is good idea actually. 26th, 26 panna.
64, sir.
Sorry, 64.
Sir, get the square. Sir, get the square.
64.
Oh, okay. Kannada is
64. 64 ಮಾಡು.
In Telugu it is 64.
64. Huh?
You can't say that. You can't say that.
Hey, it is an first language.
Telugu people will say from Telugu all the languages have.
No.
4,000 years ago, Tamil was being discovered.
Yes, Tamil was the first language.
Option C, sir.
2,500 years ago.
Option C.
Option C.
Rather, we are discussing was Telugu, Tamil discord.
என்ன கேக்குறாங்க? பாத் டிஃபரன்ஸ் என்ன டெல்டி என்ன?
What a phase difference is given, right? 60 degree means pi by 3. Path difference how much?
Yeah.
Lambda into pi by 2 pi.
Lambda by 6.
Lambda value how much? Pi value how much? Pi by 3 divided by 2 pi. Pi
Answer.
పోయిచ్చి lambda by 6.
So can we find
Option
out the time
C.
period?
Yes. Time period, time difference. Time difference, how much? Time period into
We have nothing.
pi by 2 pi. Then t into phase difference, how much? Pi by 3 by 2 pi. Pi cancels out, so t by 6.
Same thing.
Same as what you have.
Anyway, we will end this topic. I will go to boring. Another topic will go. Okay. So navigation plan is good, right? Actually, then wait a second.
Both longitude and transversal axes. Answer is that.
Control F.
Sir, I don't know why, but
Hmm.
sir, whichever the answer is, they have marked it with stars, sir. Right?
Correct.
Sir,
Correct, right?
sir, water waves are both longitudinal and transverse, sir.
Yes. Inside water, longitudinal waves. Only on surface, transverse.
Sound, sir.
Sound.
In rocks. Sir, you ask the study question. 67, sir.
Huh?
You ask the study question, we'll directly tell the answer. 67, sir. What? Hungry, yes, they added more. Oh. They would have pineapple essence. Oh, that has made it juice.
They have added more essence.
What make of
What?
vanilla, not vinegar, vanilla. What's the vinegar? Vanilla essence. Once I thought of
Sunday home to biryani. Or biryani or lemon or something. In there, what's your food? I want to
I'm not had that kind of practice.
So we got just was because tomorrow is Sunday, right? Because today I'm not because there was my mother visitor, my father mentioned. Yeah, some function that I have exams with them. Then you'll talk to the pandemic. Hey, no, it's very pandemic. Not arrogant, but current direction, same direction. Yesterday my friend bought அது மேம் ரூல் நீ சொல்றது மேம் ரூல்ஸ் சிமிக்கல் ரூல் படி சேம் டைரக்ஷன்ல கரண்ட் போவாது டிஃபரண்ட் டைரக்ஷன்ல பிளஸ் இதெல்லாம் சிபிஎஸ் போர்ட்ல கேட்கறது
நீங்க பேண்டமிக் இல்லாம டெஸ்ட் எழுத போறீங்க. ஏன்னா போன 12th அதுக்கு பாதி யாருமே அதனால உங்களுக்கு பழைய நம்ம கஷ்டமா இருக்கு முடியாது.
English nobody studies. I don't know why you are getting scared of that somebody writing about me. Notice writing, I think I don't even know the writing format.
Okay, right, try, please try question number 12.
Wave is represented by.
Everyone try. This is your turn.
Somebody is too frustrated. Sir, yes, sir. When people are frustrated, they should go for construction work, sir.
Yes.
They'll apply more force.
Their pressure will decrease.
What's it? Not construction.
If x came, then cos only no sir.
Sir, not construction, sir. Demolition.
minus
No.
kx.
Not like that. 12.56. It is 12.56 is. Yeah, then it was. Other 5/2 only. Sir, 12.56 is perfect square. 1.56 is 3.2. 3.9.
Wavelength na lambda.
12.5 is
That is important, Srinidhi.
No, sir, I'm asking how many of them are coming.
Only one.
See, 3.14. That's equal to 5. You can write omega is equal to 3.14. Omega is equal to 100 pi. Right. Yes, you can. Yes. Yes, really. But we go omega, right? A wavelength of wavelength, lambda. Lambda equals.
It is moving in which direction?
So it's moving in positive x-axis. Positive x-axis, sir.
Positive?
No. Negative x.
Sir, wavelength is lambda.
Yes.
Definitely it is moving in the negative y-axis, right?
He told positive x. No.
Definitely it is moving in the negative y-axis, no?
Negative y-axis.
So this is wrong, this is wrong, this is wrong. No need of doing the problem. Negative y-axis, that's all. Option C is the correct answer.
Take it solve and sir.
What I should solve?
The wavelength is 0.5.
Y is equal to kx, for example, 10 into sine
Sir,
kx minus omega t. What is the meaning of that?
Sir, 0.5 wavelength.
Very good. Positive x, na? Then he told 314 t plus 12.56 into y. Means negative y only, no? It is.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Then
But they gave x is equal to no, sir.
huh?
They gave x is equal to something, no, sir. So
That particle is vibrating in the x-axis, right?
okay, so we are moving in the y-axis.
Negative
So
y-axis.
like this it is. Like this it's vibrating and y-axis.
Shabash, very good. Then what a wavelength, right?
Wavelength is
K is equal to 12.56, na?
exact.
Means that is 2 pi by lambda only, na? 2 pi means what? 3.14. So lambda equal to how much here? This ones are, this twos are. Lambda equal to 1 by 2 means 0.5 only, na? Clear? Option C is the right answer. Okay, students. Did I share the waves PDF?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Work out that transverse wave as per the CPT syllabus. Check the title and work out level 1 problems. Huh?
Not there.
Stationary waves are not there. In coming CPT it is there. Okay, Nivasni, bye.